And now for something completely different.
Today's the day, guys. We're going strawberry picking. Magical little picking of the strawberries. You see, it is more fun to contribute to your food. To go out there, hunt for it, pick it, clean it, and then eat it. We would have gone hunting for Nutella, but we don't know where Nutella lives. So this is what we're doing today. So welcome to the strawberry documentary. Enjoy. What's this? Emily? You're making breakfast with the strawberries you didn't pick.
Because we haven't got strawberry picking yet.
Filthy cheaters. Lucky there's pancakes. Look how cute we are.
Thank you for coming.
Enjoy.
So let's... Strawberry picking. Emily, how excited are you for strawberry picking?
I am so excited.
She's too excited.
While Emily pumps petrol, fun facts about strawberries. Strawberries are the first fruit to ripen each spring.
True.
Ooh. There are 200 seeds on an average strawberry.
Seriously? What?
That's a lot of seeds. No way.
So fun.
Such fun.
We just got to the strawberry farm.
Goes like that. Thank you.
So, we're gonna go pick strawberries now. You just pick it and you pay later. It is actually beautiful. Yeah. I'm not frowning, there's just a lot of sun here. Proper. I want to do the film.
Like at my boobs.
Can I turn it off? So, we fill it, we go over there and they say give us money, and we say give us strawberries, and that's how the trade works. All this could be yours.
Andy, what's that? No way! It's a loyalty card for Zarappas where you can get cheap coffee at a great rate. Thank you, Zarappas.
Hey Brandon, if you were a strawberry, I'd pick you.
Oh my goodness! No eating in the patch, people. We've told you this like 50,000 times. This is the crew. Oh look! He's got tons of strawberries.
This would be the perfect place to hide a dead body. Like, look at all these alleys.
The most deformed and the biggest strawberry wins. Oh gosh! I found my baddies. Oh yes. Oh, that one's not ripe enough. Well, we'll leave you there. You stay there. You grow a little bit more.
We're a couple minutes into the pick, and I've only found 2 really good ones that I can commit to.
Oh, this one looks like it's seen a ghost. Oh. There's one right there. Look at that strawberry. Damn! I was looking at the strawberries. I wasn't. Dude, look at the size of this strawberry. Hold on. Look, there's my fist. That's a huge strawberry, dude. I'll take you home to mama. It's coming home with me. There you go. Right, look.
Is that your biggest?
That's a big one, and that's a regular one.
Look at mine.
It's a mammoth! Oh, babe, that's pretty big. I know I've probably done like 1,000 pan shots of strawberries, but this is actually just gorgeous. Look, so many healthy strawberries you can pick. It goes for hundreds of meters. It's beautiful here.
How sick is this? They have their own little bee farm.
I don't dare go closer because there's bees flying everywhere. Like that pollinates their own farm. So this is all natural. See the bees?
It's their own little personal bee farm. So that pollinates this, and then it produces this. Ah, there was a bee on my hand! Legit, I'm moving. Bees. Yeah, they're bees. Run from the bees!
We get that.
Ah! Ah! The bees are real! Now my own hair is touching me and I think it's bees.
Cutest berry ever.
You already finished?
Do you want to see mine for most deformed?
Yeah, deform me.
Looks like a butt.
Oh, the butt strawberry. Yeah, but you see, hold on, now we'll swap. No, you do that. Do I look good? Of course I do. Was there any doubt? Ah! I have the midget strawberry, and it's completely ripe. And I have the flat strawberry. It looks like it should have been 3. I'm getting some mammoth ones. I'm trying to find the biggest one here. It smells so nice. Strawbs for days. It is beautiful here. The smell is amazing. I've probably said that already. The amount of strawberries you get is awesome. I'm not even halfway filled up my punnet. And oh, you're just addicted. Like you just want to keep picking. Keep picking because you want to make jam, you want to make strawberry ice cream, you want to make all that stuff. Emily, I'm recording you. Do something cool.
Get strawberries.
Why did I marry her?
My baby strawberry.
My baby one destroys your baby one. As if. There are no berry fights in the strawberry farm, Andy. I just found the cutest little strawberry. Look at this one. Look at this. This thing is teeny tiny. Look at this teeny tiny strawberry. Oh my goodness, we're doing good. I win on the cutest strawberry ever. You ready?
Why? I think I win on the ugliest though. Yeah, I got a big one. I got a big one. Look at my other.
Oh yuck! That's huge.
I have a bigger. Pretty big
Oh,
one.
that's an apple.
An apple and a half.
And a half. Freshly made strawberry ice cream from a strawberry farm. Life is good. That's how fresh it is. Look, all the chunky bits in it. They made it fresh in front of you. It's like a mix of strawberries and vanilla ice cream. Like I saw her dump the strawberries into the machine and it crushed it and stuff. Strawberry picking, babe, what do you reckon?
I had a really good time. We got 2 full punnets and we got fresh strawberry ice cream.
I'll keep her around. Hey Christy, can I have a spoon of strawberry? Oh my goodness, that's so yummy.
Goodbye, strawberry farm. You were lovely to visit.
Okay.
So these are the strawberries that we picked today. It's about, oh, I don't even care to guess, it's about a leg, maybe a leg and a half worth of strawberries. It's heaps. Get a whole leg and a half of strawberries. That's a good amount of strawberries. That's a good amount of any type of fruit. It is. Oh hey Brandon. You good looking man there. Ignore that. We'll talk about that another time. Like that looks like 5, because it is. And that's another 5, so 5, 10, 15, 20, for something like, I don't know, 50 strawberries, it's only like $20. It's like almost 2 kilos of strawberries, it's a lot. All of you are gonna go in my belly. This is how you know your strawberries are great, when the consumer appreciates them. Here you go, Jane, have a strawberry. Oh, Mose, there you go. Have a little strawberry. Take it, yeah, go take it somewhere special. Strawberry picking was incredible. Shout outs to strawberries for existing and all other vegetables and fruits. Thank you. You're beautiful. The smell, the taste, the freshness. You're out there under the sun getting a tan and freshly picked strawberries. What more could you want? I'm gonna see what concoctions I can make with this strawberry, like strawberry ice cream, strawberry jam. I'm going to do a strawberry jam video. Incoming, warning, heads up, spoiler alert, strawberry jam video. It's happening. So guys, hope you had fun today. Thanks for everyone who came along. Sorry if there's some ugly shots of you in this video. I'm just addicted to spinning when I vlog, like in this room. I feel like that scene in Titanic where Jack and Rose are spinning, dancing like, spin me, Jack! So guys, thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!